Welcome back to Midcap Radar. Let's now shift our focus to SBI Life, which recently reported its Q1 numbers. New business premium surged 13% on a year-on-year basis, while total AP and retail AP grew over 20%. My colleague Yash Jain spoke to Amit Jhingran, the MD and CEO at SBI Life Insurance, and began by asking him about his AP outlook for FY25. Let's listen in.
First quarter growth for the entire insurance industry, as the numbers are coming out, has been pretty good. And on the same lines, at SBI Life also, we have a pretty decent quarter with 20% AP growth, as you said. During the quarter, our agency had a wonderful growth, and that is the area that we are focusing upon in this financial year. And the agency growth was plus 40%, 46% to be exact. So this year we have taken this target that we will tap the opportunities that are available in the agency segment by opening more number of branches, employing more agents, improving the agent productivity, and in the remaining 3 quarters also, with the seasonality that you have seen in SBI Life in the past years, we are sure that the kind of growth that we provided guidance for after the last year's result and the first quarter growth is expected to continue.
Okay, so about 20% growth on the AP thereabouts for FY25.
Yeah.
I want to speak to you a little about the value of new business. That, of course, sort of came down as against the street estimates. That's because the margins also receded a little. What I want to understand from you, for the year, do you expect, if let's say the AP you expect for FY25 to grow at 20%, what kind of growth do you expect in terms of your value of new business? Since you've already said that your margins are expected to trend upwards from here, then in that situation, AP growing at 20%, what could be the growth in VNB?
See, you are aware that VNB and VNB margin are a play of the product mix. At SBI Life and in the entire industry, you would have seen that ULIPs are flavor of the market, and that is natural also because the customers, when they are seeing very good returns on the equity side, they are naturally tending to buy more of the ULIPs.
Correct.
That is what the story was in the SBI Life also, and our ULIP sales were a little higher. That affected the VNB margin a bit. The other side was that the yields are coming down in the government bond market also. And we did not reprice our product in the last quarter depending on the yield that we are getting from. So that also affected the overall margin to a certain extent.
Correct.
Going forward, as we are focusing on the protection segment, and we are launching some new products also in protection, and the repricing of the non-par products, we are sure that the guidance that we earlier provided for the margin to be range bound around 28, we are pretty sure that we will be sticking to.
Well, a very interesting conversation with SBI Life Insurance. The stock doing quite well after it reported a strong set of Q1 results. But that's all the time we have on this edition of Midcap Radar Mutual Fund Corner, when we return.